Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, October 20th. I hope everybody's doing great. Things are really good here. My husband and I had our 26th wedding anniversary this week. And last weekend we went to some wineries by the Finger Lakes, which I think I told you last week we were going to do along with my sister and her husband. And we stayed over at a really cute hotel and just did some wine tasting and went out to dinner, and it was really nice. So we're hopefully going to be able to do that every year. We did it last year too. So yeah, things are great. I got some great happy mail in this week. I did show a video yesterday from Stephanie. She sent me a lot of great stuff. Thanks again, Stephanie. And I wanted to show you some more that I got. And I don't really have many crafty finds this week, but I do have some home decor, including this rug. So I will show you those. Hopefully you stick around for that. It's all, well, mostly gingerbread related. So anyway, yes, let me show you the first happy mail I got. And this is from Joyce Kurtz, who is the owner of the Peddler's Pack or Stamp Peddler on Etsy. And I've ordered from Joyce several times. I love the Peddler's Pack stamps. And I had sent Joyce those recipes that I've sent a lot of you guys. And she just wanted to send me a little something to thank me. So I thought that was very, unnecessary, but very nice of her. So thank you so much, Joyce. I'm so excited. This is her information in case you want to check her out on Etsy. Oh, the cutest stamps, seriously. So she sent me some stamps that in her note says that they'd be perfect for place cards on the Thanksgiving table. And I totally agree. So these are the first two. Look at these little pilgrims. Aren't they adorable? The pilgrim woman is holding a little apple pie, and then the man is holding his musket. And they're nice red rubber stamps, which is wonderful. I'd love to use these in my stamp press, so these work perfectly. Thank you so much, Joyce. I think I am going to use them for place cards for Thanksgiving, so thank you so much. And I believe these are new on the website too, so check them out. I'll leave her link down below too, in case it's easier just to do that. And then there are two Native American stamps as well. There's a mom and her little baby. Look at how cute all the details are, even the stitching on the shoes. And she's holding a little basket of greens, I think. And then there's the dad with his headdress and just beautiful Native American costume or, outfit, whatever you want to call that. Traditional wear. So these are also red rubber stamps. These will be great for Thanksgiving as well. So thank you so much, Joyce, for these. I am just tickled that you thought to send those to me. And then she also included some stickers from the Dollar Tree too. So there's a cute little note from the Dollar Tree. So these are awesome. I love these. They're so cool how they're clear and then they're like colored a little bit too. So this one has pumpkins and says, "Believe in the magic of harvest, carve out some good times, and happy harvest." And then these say cute little fall sayings on the looks like a window. And then it says, "Always stay grateful." So I'm going to have some fun stamping. And then, if that wasn't enough, Joyce sent me these cute strawberry earrings. Oh my goodness, look at that. So thank you. I will definitely wear these. You know I love strawberries, and I always love to wear fun earrings. So thank you so much. And I have to show you the envelope that Joyce sent everything in. This is the back. Obviously, the front has addresses and stuff. But isn't this cute? What an adorable Halloween envelope. So little ghosties and witches' hats and all the cute little pumpkins and stuff. So all of your touches were so sweet, Joyce, and I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. I just feel so blessed by this crafting community. It's totally not necessary to send me anything, but of course, I am so happy and grateful when you guys do. So thanks a ton. All right, let's get on to the things I've bought this week. Target is starting to get out their Christmas things in the dollar spot at my Target anyway. So I bought a few things. I bought this candle lantern because I just thought it was so pretty, and it's like frosted glass and it has snowflakes on it. So you could use this all winter long, and it's got this nice like faux leather handle, which is stitched and it goes around the center. So, you know, I'll just put like a LED candle or something in there. This was $5 and it says for use with one tea light candle only. So if you want to put an actual candle in there, just put a tea light. But otherwise, you know, you could put whatever size you want, of course, if you have it so it's battery operated. So I love this. They had another design too. I don't remember what it was. I don't think it was frosted glass, and I really like the frosted here. I think it'll look so pretty with either, you know, a tea light or a LED candle in there. So I got that. And then I picked up this gift box. This is one of my gingerbread acquisitions, and it looks like a cute little gable box, 4 inches by 7.35 inches by 4 inches. And this was only $1. I thought this would be great to have for, you know, for gift giving. Gives you directions on how to put together, and it's got glitter on the bottom for the snow, and it comes with the twine tie too. Yeah, we can make these, but for $1 and the time it'll save you, you know, am I going to make one? Probably not, you know, if I have this anyway. So I got that. And then I also got this gingerbread like shopping bag there too. And this was $1 as well, I believe. Where's the tag? Yep, that was $1. And this is a reusable tote. That's the code in case you're interested. So they had different designs of this as well, but of course I had to go for the gingerbread people. And this I might use as a gift bag or, you know, just as a bag to go out shopping to the grocery store or something. Probably a gift bag, I'm thinking, because I think it's a good idea to use for a gift bag because it's only $1 and it's nice and sturdy, and whoever gets it can reuse it, you know. So there's that. And let's see if there's anything else from Target. Yes, there is. I got this little tree. Hang on, it's coming. It's stuck. Okay, so this is like a faux mercury glass tree, and this was $1. They had bigger ones that were $3 and or $5. I don't remember. But this, I like this one because you could put it over like a mini tea light or something, and then it would shine from within. Actually, this space looks really small. I hope I have a tea light that'll fit. But anyway, isn't that pretty? And it's kind of iridescent too, so I don't need many Christmas decorations, but I thought I could squeeze that in somewhere. And then I got this basket, also gingerbread. This was $5. That's the code in case you're interested. This came in a snowman, something else too. But of course I like the gingerbread, and I would probably gussy him up a little bit too. I think this will be great for gift giving or just to put utensils or napkins on a buffet. We always have a buffet at Christmas, so I'll use it for something. So that was it from Target. Yeah, that's definitely it. And then I wanted to show you one of the things my sister gave me when she came. She brought me a really nice gift basket. Thank you, Kathleen. She brought these Merry Merry 12 party picks. Look at those little turkeys. Aren't those so cute? It's from Marshall's, $4.99. So the other ones are underneath, and you just kind of have to, you know, put them together. You know how these things work. They have the little glue tabs, and you just kind of fold them and stick them together. So these will be great for crafting as well as for Thanksgiving. And those little turkey faces, they're so cute. They have little gold beaks and stuff. So I love these. Thanks, Kathleen. I had to show everybody that. And then let's see, so this rug I got from Zulily. Sorry, I should have mentioned that first. I will try and link it below if I can, but you know how Zulily is. They only have things for a certain amount of time, then they're sold out, then they bring them back eventually. But this rug is really nice and plush. This one is, let me see, this is the bag it came in. That's the number in case you want to look it up, but it's size 16 by 47. So this size will be perfect for my hearth at Christmas time, and I like to put a rug or a table runner down there and then put other decorations on it. And I thought this would be really nice for that. It's nice and soft, and it's kind of neutral. You know, it's got the gingerbread on it. It's oval. And it'll just be a nice base for other decorations. And I don't remember how much it cost, but again, if it's available, I will link it. And then I got 2 runners from, let's see, Home Goods. I think they're both from Home Goods. This one I got earlier in the week, and then the next one I got today. So this is this is earlier in the week, so I'll show you starting at the beginning. It's by Cynthia Rowley. So it's like this cool irregular shape, and it has different bases on it. So we have that cute snowman that has like a cable knit sweater for face, and it's all embroidered, and it's just beautiful. It's got like a nice linen background and those little cross stitch trim around the edge. There's a reindeer with some pine and berries. There's Santa with that same sweater kind of texture, and another snowman, and then another, oops, there's my receipt, and then another reindeer. So this is 14 by 48, so it's like perfect for your coffee table. That's where I was thinking I would put it, and that's what it looks like, you know, on the table. And this was $16.99, and the back is just a solid red. So I thought this was beautiful. I love to get table linens because, you know, after a couple of years, they get kind of, I don't know, gross and you need new ones. So it's a good excuse to buy new stuff. And then today I got this one. Today's Thursday. This one is like a gingerbread house one, and it's got like cutouts in it. So I thought I would put this like on top of another one, maybe a solid color one. So this one is by Santa's Workshop. Well, actually in Vogue, I guess. And this one I think was also $16.99 as well. This one's 14 by 70, so it's a little bit longer. I was thinking this could go on my like kitchen table. Probably not my dining room table. It's not quite long enough, but I think it'll be good for my kitchen. So it's got all these cute gingerbread houses on it, and it's really nice material. It's like very pliable, and I think this would even wash okay. You know, probably not in the dryer, but let's see if it says on the thing. It doesn't say anything. Usually, you know, it's hard to wash these and have them look decent after you do, but I don't know. Maybe there's a tag on here. Oh, there is. Let's see what it says. Machine wash, cold with light colors, tumble dry low. Okay, so that gives me hope. And it's just beautiful. It doesn't feel like it'll wrinkle, you know? And this one, I think it might be able to stay out during the winter, maybe up till Valentine's Day. It's got the heart on top of that tree or house, but it does have the holly here. So I don't know. We'll see. But I just thought it was so beautiful and I couldn't pass it up. I've never seen anything like this. So pretty, right? Oh, love it. So let's see what's going on crafty wise. I have that video I will link below that I posted yesterday for Stephanie's Happy Mail, which is wonderful. And I'm working on lots of projects. Adorn It. I showed you guys all the stamps I got last week, so I'm making some projects with that. I will post that pretty soon. I won't be around this weekend. My mother-in-law's 80th birthday is actually, well, today on Thursday, so we're going to go have a celebration with her. So I won't be doing much crafting this weekend. But so anyway, when I can, I've got my Adorn It projects, Scrap Diva Designs, and KS Craft. You know, I'm always working on and having a lot of fun with those. Check back in my old videos if you haven't seen updates, but I do have KS Craft and Scrap Diva Designs videos recently. So yeah, I guess that is it, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of your support all the time. And I haven't put together yet my gift basket for the 10,000 subscriber winner. So I did send her the $50 scrapbook.com gift card, and I just haven't gotten to the package, but that's going to be going out early next week. So anyway, I will talk to you guys soon. Have a great day and have fun crafting. I'll talk to you later. Bye.